Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how you can get Google VEO 3 absolutely for free for the next 12 months. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Now, if you are living in the country where this particular offer is not showing, you will have to first of all connect with a VPN. So as you can see, currently I have connected my account with a Netherlands VPN. And once you have the VPN connected successfully, you need to simply search for Google VO3 student free. So when you search for it, you will find the first link, which will be Gemini for Students, your AI study buddy for Google. So you need to click on this link and not this one, which will be here in the bottom. So after clicking on this link, you will be landed here where it is going to show you that you are going to get Google Gemini absolutely for free for the next 12 months, and this offer is going to be expired on December 9th. So in order to avail this offer, simply click on the option of to offer, and then it is going to redirect you here on this page. Now over here, you need to verify yourself that you are a student. So click on the option of verify eligibility. After that, you will be landed here on the page where you will have to provide your student credential, like your name on your ID card, the current course that you are doing, your college in which you are basically studying. So after providing all of these details, you will have to basically submit this form. Then you will be shown a page where you will have to select a payment method. After selecting that payment method, you will get Google VO3 absolutely for free for the next 12 months. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.